How to restore or recover deleted posts on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will be directed to the homepage. Now click on this profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the profile page, click on the three bars given at the top right corner. You will be directed to settings and activity page. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. Under how you use Instagram, you'll find the option your activity. Click on it. Now, click on the option recently deleted. In this page, you're going to find all the posts that you have deleted. In order to recover any of the posts, firstly, you'll need to launch it. Then, click on the three dots given at the top right corner of the post and select the option Restore. If you deleted it from your profile grid, people will be able to see and interact with it again. If you have deleted the post from the archive, it will be restored to the archive section. Now I can hit towards your profile. The post or the reel will be available. So this way you can easily restore or recover deleted posts on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.